this video, let us discuss a question on patterns. Given two sets of patterns, which of the options A, B, C and D is appropriate for the blank space? Solution. Let us consider the first two patterns. For understanding, let us label the square as ABCD. Here, square ABCD is rotated clockwise by 90 degrees and then triangle BCD is folded into triangle ABD to get this figure. Now, let us apply the same transformations to figures 3 and 4. Here, square ABCD is rotated clockwise by 90 degrees and then triangle ABC is folded into triangle ADC to get this figure. The resultant figure is same as option B. Hence, the right answer to the question is option B.